Today I'm going to show you how to make an Easter basket out of a paper plate. You will need a large paper plate, a pencil and ruler, a pair of scissors, some colouring pens, a stapler, a piece of plain card for making a handle, and some green tissue paper. First, we'll mark the points on the plate where we need to make some cuts. For that, we draw a line straight through the middle of the plate with the ruler and pencil. Then a second line in a right angle to the first one. Now, with the ruler, we'll measure 6 centimetres from the edge of the plate at each of the 4 endpoints of the lines and make a small mark. Then we'll make 4 cuts from the edge of the plate to the marks we just made. We can now carefully fold the 4 sides up towards the middle and out again. You can already see where the bottom of the basket will be when it's done. Now we can decorate the plate with our colouring pens. For that, we'll turn the plate over as the bottom of the plate will become the outside of the basket when the sides are folded up. Also important to note, the edge of the plate will end up at the top of the basket. And on 2 sides, the pieces of the basket will overlap, so on those sides only draw in the middle so that nothing gets covered up. Now we just need to assemble the basket. For that, we'll use the stapler. Take the sides and overlap them with each other, then staple them together. Now we'll repeat that 3 more times. To add a handle, cut a strip from your piece of card and staple it to either side of the basket. And that's it, our basket is done. We'll line it with some tissue paper to finish it off. Then the Easter bunny can fill it with goodies. Have fun making your own baskets.